Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, although today is the weekend, and for this one, what I'm about to see is the Silverliner 4s this time on SEPTA Regional Rail Line number 530 from Thorndale as the Doylestown local. And can you believe this? I get to see the 6-car set again, just like yesterday in my previous video when I saw the Silverliner 5s on 6594. So this time today I get to see a 6-car set again, this time on the set of Silverliner 4s on SEPTA Regional Rail Line number 530. So it is approaching Delaware Valley University probably in a moment or two, so it should be here very soon. Oh, and yes, I have not seen a Silverliner 4 that has a 6-car set. So this will be my first time seeing a 6-car Silverliner 4 set for the first time since August of 2019. So this time today, I get to see the Silverliner 4 with a 6-car set again. And not only of that, here he comes.
Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track. Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track. Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track. Warning.
163, 164, 277, 412, 299, and 407.
Do not cross the track. Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the track.
Oh, and to give a quick update, there will be a new schedule in the fall, starting tomorrow on the 5th. So there will be something very exciting I'm about to show you in my next video, so hope you'll stay tuned for that. Anyways, very nice.